So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add text to a video here on VN video editor. So if I were to play my video right here, there's no text. Where it says add to, or tap to add subtitle, or where it says the T with the plus, go ahead and select that. Once you're here, I want you to go to the bottom left and press title. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and type in a bunch of different stuff. So you can add, text like this. You can add a title, subtitle, time, whatever you got to do. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and press add a heading right here. And I'm going to go ahead and type in what I got to type in. So if I were to go ahead here and just press the keyboard, I can just type in the word title like this. You can also play around with it if you want. You can make it, title text. You can make it the font size larger. You can change the color of it. You can do what you got to do. If this looks good to go, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I will then make it a little bit larger. And if this looks like good, this is your text right here. If you were to play your video, the text is now added to your video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add text to a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.